You Kakarot today? Yeah. What's up, guys? We have Elyas as Kakarot today. Goku and Ellie is doing some blocks. Ellie, what are you doing with us today?
We're making a castle.
Alright, let's do it. Let's see what we got. We got some blocks right there, guys. Could you guys tell us some colors of them? Ellie, can you tell me some colors of them?
We got blue.
That's a blue block.
And we got yellow.
Nice. We got a yellow block.
And we got orange.
Orange.
And we got green.
Got a green block.
And that's all.
That's all of them? I think we got one more. I think it's the red one. Can you guys say red?
Red!
Good job, Ellie. Nice.
We're gonna get this party started.
Let's get the party started.
So we're gonna do that, and then all done.
Whoa there, Elias. What are you doing? Hello. What we got over there, Ellie? What? What? Hello. They got a block castle. Nice. Elias is building his car track. Uh-oh. Careful, Elias.
So now we have to put this right there.
And that's really cool, Ellie.
Now we're gonna knock it down so we can.
Whoa!
Could you give me those blocks?
Yeah, go ahead. There you go.
Give me those.
Oh. Oh.
This is gonna be a huge one. This is gonna be a really huge one. Me on block them. Block and track. Look. Look. Track to racing. Look. A place.
Well there, Elias.
A place.
What are you doing?
So, you ready to do it?
Whoa.
This castle's gonna be pretty big. So the castle's place. I'll get it over there. So
You got Marshall's place?
So what we're gonna do is put all of these things on the castle, and we're gonna put these on the bottom,
Yeah.
so it stands better.
So guys, what we're doing here is building a castle.
I want it to stay up.
Let's
so-
get really close and take a look.
And then you have to. So 2 yellows.
We got a red block,
and 2 blues.
2 yellows and 2 blues.
And we have to, we build like this, and then we put a red thing.
That looks really cool, Ellie.
And then you have to have this to make it.
Nice.
Like going and and then you have to put on this right there in the middle.
That's really cool.
Then you have to put 2 things Then
You're heavy.
you have to,
Not for Goku.
and then you have to, and then we're done. Oh God. See?
That looks really cool. Let's take a look, guys. We have the door, the grass, the windows,
This is the door.
the roof.
This is the roof, and this is the window. Then another window, and then another window. Then this is the door.
That's really cool, Ellie.
Look, watch this. We're happy. We're happy.
Are you towing some blocks? Let's see what you got in there, Elias. You got a car and some blocks in there.
You ready?
Oh, and a bee. What is that? Is that a bee?
No. And H.
That's an H.
So we're gonna do this right now. This
Okay.
It's gonna be a pretty big tower.
Let's see it.
So we're getting ready to do it. So we have to put this on the bottom, put this on the top.
Whoa.
Let's have your snow. What's your stone? Give me that. Give me.
Gotta be nice, Ellie.
I need another. I only got 3. I need another. I need another.
You need another, huh? You got her, Elias?
And
Good job, little man.
and now we are done.
Now we are done?
Yep.
Perfect, little mama. Well, can you say thank you to everyone?
And we got another castle.
We got another castle.
Yep.
Is that for next time?
And we got this one. And this one is gonna be pretty tall. Here.
That sounds really awesome.
This is gonna be pretty tall. So, let's give me one. Thank you. Oh, there's one. This one is gonna be pretty. And then we're done. Now for action 2.
Ooh.
Here.
Here goes.
Thank you. So we got the first part we have to do. Guys, can you just pour this out?